Hello, my name is Rovi Brennan, and I'm the Vice Provost for the University of Washington's Continuum College. And I'm joined today by Scott Dolan from Excelsior College to tell you about an exciting new partnership between our two institutions. First of all, let me tell you just a little bit about the University of Washington. We are located in Seattle, Washington, and we are home to over 48,000 graduate and undergraduate students. In addition, the University of Washington's Continuum College, the lifelong learning arm of the University of Washington, served an additional 50,000 learners, and we are excited to partner with Excelsior to continue those learners' journeys in life. We have over 130 certificates in Continuum College, hundreds of non-credit program courses, and over 75 degrees. And we, again, served over 50,000 learners last year. Our professional certificates, short programs, and advanced degrees empower people to create better lives, and they strengthen our region by providing employers with exceptionally skilled workers and creating a more knowledgeable and sustainable community. And Scott, why don't you tell us a little bit about Excelsior College?
Yeah, thanks so much, Rovi. Excelsior College is a nonprofit distance education provider headquartered in Albany, New York. We were founded in 1971, which makes us one of the oldest distance education providers in the country. We were founded in 1971 to help support working adults with a flexible and affordable pathway to earn a college credential. And for a lot of our history, we did that without courses of our own. Rather, we had degree programs that were developed by external faculty, and we used the assessment of learning and the aggregation of credit from various sources of learning to help students complete their degree. And that could take many forms: college courses, proficiency examinations, the evaluation of military educational programs, and the assessment of learning gained from experience, or what we typically call today prior learning assessment. And we would package those experiences into a degree and confer the degrees. With the advent of online learning, we began to offer our own online courses as options for students to complete their degree. Today, we offer associate's, bachelor's, and master's degrees across a wide array of fields in business, technology, health, nursing, public service, and the liberal arts, with numerous certificate programs aligned with emerging markets in each one of those disciplines. But throughout, we really stayed true to our mission of increasing the access to and affordability of a college degree, and we remain incredibly flexible. So students, to complete their undergraduate degree, only have to take 7 credits in residence with us to obtain their credential. And we think that's really, really important to our mission and to the students that we serve, to get them to that finish line to complete their degree. Why don't you tell us a little bit why you think the partnership is important to your institution?
Well, the University of Washington's Continuum College, like Excelsior, believes in the power of education to improve everyone's lives. And partnerships like this one provide our students with a bridge between a variety of different credentials and a degree that can open the door to professional and personal advancement. And what we hope is that it also provides opportunities for students at Excelsior to be able to add a certificate program in a specific area that will also give them a leg up as they begin looking for jobs in specific fields. Our Python programming and digital marketing certificates are just 2 examples of great programs that give people transferable skills that can boost their careers. But Scott, why are these pathways important to Excelsior?
I think first and foremost, the world's changing so quickly. Technology is radically changing the way we live and work, and people are living longer and working longer. And because of this, students really need, or learners really need, to continue to update and stay current with their learning, not only because of the changes in the job market, but because they're working longer themselves. They need to do this while balancing their career, family, and other obligations. And you know, I say this often, but I mean it. Lifelong learning is not really a buzzword anymore. It's a requirement for people as they move through life. And these kinds of partnerships and access to credentials from both UW and degree programs at Excelsior can help students meet their goals.
Well, that's right. And this is not just a challenge for learners. The skills gap is an urgent problem facing American employers. The gap being exacerbated right now, of course, by the great resignation that's going on coming out of the pandemic. UW Continuum College is addressing that from both the employee and employer perspective. For people who haven't earned college degrees, our non-credit courses, programs, and certificates offer innovative ways to improve skills and foster career development. We surveyed students after completing a UW Continuum College certificate, and 92% say they've seen a positive career impact. Many college graduates are also discovering that their degrees may get them a job, but that degree won't carry them through their entire career. Ever-changing technology, the growing emergence of new career fields, and global competition require them to seek out additional learning opportunities throughout their working life, such as this unique partnership with Excelsior, whereby a student has an opportunity to convert a continuum college professional certificate into an Excelsior degree program. It's pathways like these that are going to be the future of higher education. And so that's why I am personally so excited about this partnership with Excelsior College as we move forward.
I couldn't agree more. It's a really exciting partnership between the two institutions that are forward-thinking, who are operating in different parts of the country with varying missions, serving different student populations, but who can come together to offer opportunities to students on both sides. And so it's a way for us to take our complementary strengths in a way that benefits students.
I absolutely agree. And I can tell you on behalf of Continuum College at the University of Washington, Scott, we are very excited about this partnership and excited to work with Excelsior as we move forward.
Same here, and more to come.